Updates coming in from Bangladesh as well. The Bangladesh Air Force installation at Cox's Bazar experienced an assault from the neighboring Samiti Para region, as reported by the ISPR. That's the latest update that we are getting for you right now. In fact, as per the press statement that we have got for our viewers, some miscreants attacked the Air Force base near Cox's Bazar, Samiti Para. Let's go across to Ritik, who is joining us live for more on this. Ritik, give us more details. These are dramatic visuals that we are getting for our viewers right now.
Well, Amit, Bangladesh is boiling, and hours after student protest was witnessed at the capital Dhaka midnight yesterday. A big development that is coming, that what we're giving to understand that our Bangladesh Air Force base, which is locating in Cox's Bazar area, was attacked this afternoon by some miscreants, and thousands of miscreants from the nearby Sumitipara area attacked this airbase, and that led to the sudden attack led to a confrontation, and which is why the forces Javans deployed at this Bangladesh Air Force base, they retaliated, and in this this retaliation, one person has been died. The person has been identified as per the sources and the reports given by the Inter-Services Public Relations, that is precisely ISPR. He has been identified as a local trader, and he was brought dead to a nearby hospital. Now, what we are given to understand that amid this situation, that the security at this area has been increased, and precisely the Deputy Commissioner of Cox's Bazar, Mohammad Salahuddin, also stated to the media that all measures are being taken to secure the airbase, and they are trying to, and probes are underway to ascertain the facts that why this sudden attack was happened, though we are yet to get any clarity why this 1,000 number of people they attacked this Air Force base. Remember, the visuals speaks the volume of lawlessness, in which we can see that the incidents of multiple stole tellings can be seen in these visuals. We are also said that several other also were injured, and it has come in the backdrop of when the several questions are being raised on the functioning of the interim government of
well, you're right, Ritik. It completely exposes the state of lawlessness, and these are dramatic visuals because these are not handful of miscreants. We can see a large number of them who are targeting the Air Force base there. You're telling us one person has been killed as well. The reason behind this clash is yet to be ascertained. Thank you for the moment, Ritik, for joining us with all of those details. Let's now move on. And